What if one hotel credit card could pay for itself every single year, even if you only travel once? That's the promise behind the IHG Rewards Club Premier Card, and most people don't realize how strong this card actually is. Let's break it down simply. This card is designed for travelers who stay at IHG hotels, which include brands like Holiday Inn, Crowne Plaza, and Intercontinental. The card has an annual fee, but here's the surprising truth. You get a free night certificate every year on your card anniversary. That free night alone can easily be worth more than the fee. You also earn a large number of IHG points on hotel stays booked directly with IHG, plus bonus points on dining, gas, and groceries. Points can be redeemed for free hotel nights, often stretching further at mid-range properties. The welcome bonus is one of the biggest selling points. New cardholders can earn a large chunk of points after meeting the initial spending requirement. That bonus alone can cover multiple hotel nights, sometimes even a full vacation. Another powerful benefit is the fourth night free perk. When you book a stay of 4 nights using points, the fourth night costs 0 points. Most people overlook this, but over time it can save tens of thousands of points. You also get automatic elite status, which includes perks like late checkout and bonus points on stays. It's not luxury level status, but it does improve the experience. Now for the downsides. This card is only valuable if you actually stay at IHG properties. Points are not as flexible as transferable travel rewards. There's also no airport lounge access or airline perks. So who is this card best for? The surprising truth is that it's ideal for travelers who prefer affordable, reliable hotels and want consistent value without complexity. If you stay at IHG even once or twice a year, the math can easily work in your favor. If this review helped clarify whether this card fits your travel style, subscribe for more honest travel card breakdowns. Smart travel starts with smart planning.